without you, nothing matters. The best part of me has just disappeared. Oh, I knew it was true the first time I saw it. Why do you think I do all the things I do? Oh, who would think we'd end up? I hate you. It took one day or two to say I love you. I love you. No matter what, just know I love you, girl. You know whatever happens, girl, you know that we were happy. Why go to be unhappy? We never really tried to make everything alright. You have 1,000 questions, I will find 1,000 reasons why you should be with me and never say goodbye.